when you first get it, you're like, ooh, where's the hair? I don't like, where's the hair at? Alright, so let's go ahead and just pop this wig on. Straight out the box, this density is super light, y'all, super light. I'm gonna push this hairline back some. Did not seem slightly bleached, but not completely. I do like that it's pre-plucked already, so it looks natural just laying here on my head. Like, I don't feel like I have to alter the front too much. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and use tape just for the sides, because I do notice the sides come down really long, like right here, so it's giving sideburn area. So this is where I'm gonna put the tape at, like an anchor. I feel like it'll work out really well like that. I let it sit. I usually press it some, and then I'm gonna take away the white layer and just press the sides down and just press like that, just so it can stop where it's supposed to on me. Now this will vary from person to person. Same thing with this side. Now the cap fits pretty good. I'm not noticing any problem with the cap as far as the fit. It's actually really comfortable, really comfortable. Since I have that down, this is what the hairline looks like. The hairline looks really good. Face is blending very well, and you can see for yourself that I didn't have to put any glue here, so I'm still glueless right around this area, and the tape is going to hold the rest. You can tie it down if you need to. I like it. Overall, I like it. It's really pretty. So that was pretty simple to style. This wig didn't take much effort out the box. When you first get it, you're like, ooh, where's the hair? I don't like, where's the hair at? That's how I was straight out the box.